In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "You're temporarily blocked" message on Facebook using your phone. This message usually appears when Facebook detects unusual activity such as sending too many friend requests, posting the same comment many times, or performing actions too quickly. First, open the Facebook app and check the message carefully to see what action has been restricted. In most cases, the block is temporary and will be removed automatically after some time. The first thing you should do is stop repeating the action that caused the block. Avoid sending multiple friend requests, posting the same links repeatedly, or commenting too frequently. Next, log out of the Facebook app and then log back in after a few minutes. You can also try clearing the app cache from your phone settings and then reopening the app. Another helpful step is to make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store on your phone, search for Facebook, and update the app if an update is available. If the block continues, the best solution is to wait until Facebook removes the restriction automatically. During this time, use your account normally and avoid actions that may look like spam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.